How to enable water drinking reminder on your Noise Smartwatch. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So follow the steps for that. So if you want to have a reminder for water drinking on your Noise Smartwatch, first of all open your Noise SmartFit app. You should download the application on your phone. After you download and open the app, go to the device settings from there. In the app, navigate to the device section where the Noise Smartwatch is listed. Now find the health reminders here. Look for the health reminders or the reminders option within the device settings. Enable water drinking reminder where you will see it on the options only. You may be able to customize the interval or frequency of reminders depending on your smartwatch model as well. So sync with your smartwatch once you enable the reminder and set your preferences. The settings should automatically sync with your smartwatch now. Now check the watch on your smartwatch. You should now be receiving notifications on reminding you to drink water intervals you've set onto. So yes, if you want to set it directly to the smartwatch, then access the settings, navigate to the health reminders and go to enable the water reminder, confirm and exit, and you are done. So yes, that's how we can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.